belajar jadi barista dulu guys, karena biasanya aku kalau ngopi, kopinya kopi saset. Nggak suka bikin-bikin gini.
Turn on. See that button? Turn on.
Turn on,
Then you
okay.
see the lights come up.
Okay.
Okay, this one for full cup, this one just short cup.
Okay.
So the water's heating. Now, take some coffee.
Okay.
Okay, full scoop.
Okay.
Pour it in there.
Okay.
I put a little bit more, but put it in there. Then press it down, but not too hard.
Okay. Just a bit.
Just a bit. Then see here. Close, open. So you've got to put the handle there. Push it up, and then
Okay.
push it all the way to close.
Okay.
Up here.
Light stop flashing and
Ready.
ready. If I want to make cappuccino, yeah? Okay.
Pour some milk in. This is the temperature. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we use that. And we go. Okay. See, automatic. It'll do it.
Oh.
Okay. Now ready. See, it's flashing, so it's heating up.
Start bubbling now. Sudah berbusa.
We have a cappuccino. Or milk with froth.
Cappuccino, karena ini Pak suami mau berangkat kerja tugas, jadi dia mau ngajarin cara pemakaian.
Okay.
Maklum aku nggak pernah suka make
Now
begitu.
the lesson has. Okay.
Clean it and
Push it back to there, off. Then
oh, take it.
take it off.
Okay.
Take the coffee out.
Okay.